Looking for an all-inclusive paradise in Mexico that delivers luxury without the stuffiness? Let's dive deep into what makes Iberostar Selection Paraiso Maya Suites one of Cancun's most talked-about resorts. This isn't just another beach hotel review. We're going to explore every corner of this property, from the moment you check in until that bittersweet checkout day arrives. Nestled along the stunning Caribbean coastline in the Riviera Maya, this five-star resort promises an experience that blends contemporary comfort with subtle nods to ancient Mayan culture. But does it actually deliver on those promises? We spent considerable time researching guest experiences, analyzing amenities, and comparing what this resort offers against its competitors in the area. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just dreaming about your next escape from reality, this comprehensive review will help you decide if Iberostar Selection Paraiso Maya Suites deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. Let's start with where you'll actually be sleeping, because let's be honest, your room can make or break a vacation. The accommodations at Iberostar Selection Paraiso Maya Suites are designed with a clear focus on space and comfort. The resort specializes in suite-style rooms, which immediately sets it apart from standard hotel offerings. Each suite provides considerably more living space than your typical hotel room, giving you room to actually unpack your suitcase instead of living out of it for a week. The junior suites serve as the entry-level option, but don't let that fool you into thinking they are basic. These rooms feature separate living areas with comfortable seating, perfect for those moments when you want to relax without sprawling across your bed. The bedrooms come equipped with premium bedding that actually lives up to that description, unlike some resorts where premium just means they added an extra pillow. Large windows flood these spaces with natural light, and depending on your room assignment, you might wake up to views of lush tropical gardens or catch glimpses of the Caribbean Sea. The bathrooms deserve special mention because they are genuinely spacious, featuring double vanities that prevent the morning rush hour traffic jam that couples know all too well. Rainfall showerheads provide that luxury hotel experience, and the water pressure is consistently strong, which any seasoned traveler knows is never guaranteed at resort properties. Climate control is individually adjustable, a blessing for those who run hot or cold, and the air conditioning units are surprisingly quiet, not the rumbling monsters that keep you awake in cheaper accommodations. Modern amenities include flat-screen televisions, well-stocked minibars that get replenished daily as part of the all-inclusive package, and safes large enough to actually fit a laptop. The suites also feature furnished balconies or terraces, providing private outdoor space where you can enjoy your morning coffee or an evening cocktail without fighting for a spot by the pool. For families or groups wanting more space, the resort offers larger suite configurations that can accommodate additional guests comfortably. These upgraded suites maintain the same quality standards while providing extra bedrooms and more expansive living areas. The decor throughout strikes a balance between contemporary style and tropical warmth, avoiding the overly themed approach that can feel gimmicky. Cream and earth tones dominate the color palette, accented with Caribbean blues and greens that tie the interior spaces to the natural environment outside. Housekeeping maintains these rooms to high standards, with daily service that goes beyond simply making beds and replacing towels. Now let's talk about food, because if you're choosing an all-inclusive resort, the dining options better be worth it. Iberostar Selection Paraiso Maya Suites takes its culinary offerings seriously, providing multiple restaurants that cover a wide range of tastes and preferences. The main buffet restaurant serves as the reliable workhorse, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating menus that prevent the monotony that can plague week-long stays. Breakfast spreads are genuinely impressive, featuring everything from made-to-order omelets and fresh tropical fruits to traditional Mexican breakfast items and American classics like pancakes and bacon. The lunch buffet keeps things lighter with salads, sandwiches, and hot dishes that won't leave you too stuffed to enjoy the afternoon. Dinner buffets step up the game with carving stations, fresh seafood, and international dishes that change nightly. Beyond the buffet, the resort operates several specialty restaurants that require reservations but come at no additional cost, a significant perk of the all-inclusive package. Italian cuisine gets its own dedicated venue where pasta dishes are prepared fresh and pizza comes out of proper ovens with perfectly crispy crusts. The Mexican restaurant goes beyond the typical Tex-Mex offerings you might expect, serving authentic regional dishes with complex flavors and quality ingredients. Seafood lovers will appreciate the dedicated restaurant focusing on fresh catches prepared in various styles, from simple grilled preparations that let the fish shine to more elaborate preparations with creative sauces. Asian fusion cuisine also makes an appearance, offering sushi rolls, stir-fries, and noodle dishes that provide a nice change of pace from heavier Western fare. The steakhouse caters to meat enthusiasts with quality cuts cooked to order, though some guests note that while good, it doesn't quite reach the heights of standalone steakhouses you'd find in major cities. Each restaurant maintains its own atmosphere and decor, making dinner feel like a different experience each night rather than just eating in different rooms. Service across all dining venues generally receives positive feedback, with staff members who are attentive without being intrusive. The bars scattered throughout the property keep the drinks flowing from morning until late night. Pool bars are strategically located so you never have to walk far for a refill, serving everything from frozen tropical cocktails to cold beer and soft drinks. Lobby bars provide more refined settings for evening cocktails, often featuring live music that adds ambience without overwhelming conversation. The quality of drinks is consistently good, with bartenders who know how to make proper cocktails rather than just pouring premixed sugary concoctions. Coffee and tea are available throughout the day at various locations, with espresso machines producing decent cappuccinos and lattes. For those who enjoy a nightcap, late-night bars stay open well past midnight, perfect for night owls who aren't ready for the evening to end. The pool and beach situation at this resort deserves serious attention because this is where you'll likely spend a significant portion of your vacation. Multiple pools dot the property, each serving different purposes and attracting different crowds. The main pool is the social hub, large enough to never feel overcrowded but lively enough to maintain energy and atmosphere. Swim-up bars integrated into the pool design mean you can order drinks without leaving the water, a feature that never gets old no matter how many all-inclusive resorts you've visited. Depth varies throughout the pool, with shallow areas perfect for lounging on submerged ledges and deeper sections for actual swimming. The pool deck surrounding this main pool is expansive, lined with comfortable loungers that come with padded cushions rather than the thin mats that leave imprints on your back. Umbrellas and palapas provide shade options, though arriving early helps secure the prime spots during peak season. A quieter pool area caters to those seeking a more relaxed atmosphere, often attracting couples and adults who prefer conversation at normal volumes over pool games and music. This pool maintains a more serene vibe while still offering bar service and comfortable seating. For families, a dedicated pool with water features keeps kids entertained for hours, featuring slides, splash zones, and shallow areas where parents can supervise without stress. The beach access is one of the resort's strongest features, opening directly onto a beautiful stretch of white sand Caribbean coastline. The beach itself is well maintained, with staff members raking the sand daily and ensuring the area stays clean and inviting. The water entry is gradual, making it accessible for swimmers of all confidence levels, and the typical Caribbean turquoise color looks exactly like the brochure photos promised. Beach loungers are plentiful, set up in neat rows with enough spacing to not feel like you're on top of your neighbors. Palapas dot the beach, providing natural shade that's much more pleasant than sitting under an umbrella. Beach service means you can order drinks and light snacks without trekking back to the pool area, a convenience that sounds small but makes a real difference over the course of a week. The resort provides beach towels, eliminating the need to bring your own or use your room towels, and towel stations make exchanges easy throughout the day. Water sports equipment is available for guest use, including kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. The snorkeling right off the beach is decent though not world-class, with some fish and coral visible but not the spectacular underwater scenes you'd find at dedicated snorkeling destinations. The waves are typically gentle, making the water safe for children and relaxing for adults who want to float without getting tossed around. Beach vendors occasionally walk by offering additional services like massages or excursion bookings, but they're generally respectful and not overly pushy when you decline. Activities at Iberostar Selection Paraiso Maya Suites extend well beyond just swimming and sunbathing, though those are certainly encouraged. The fitness center provides a legitimate workout space for guests who can't skip their exercise routine even on vacation. Modern cardio equipment includes treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes, all with individual entertainment screens if you need distraction from the burn. Free weights and weight machines cover the basics for strength training, and the space is kept clean and well maintained. The fitness center rarely gets overcrowded, even during peak morning hours when motivated guests try to work off the previous night's buffet. Air conditioning keeps the temperature comfortable, which is crucial in the Mexican heat. Group fitness classes are scheduled throughout the week, including beach yoga sessions at sunrise that sound cliché but are actually quite special when you're stretching while watching the sun come up over the Caribbean. Water aerobics classes in the pool provide low-impact exercise disguised as fun, often attracting a social crowd who are there as much for the community as the workout. Tennis courts are available for guests who pack their rackets or are willing to borrow equipment from the resort. The courts are properly maintained with good surface conditions, though playing tennis in tropical heat requires a certain level of dedication or perhaps madness. For those interested in cultural experiences, the resort occasionally organizes activities that showcase local traditions, from tequila tastings that educate about production methods to cooking demonstrations featuring regional cuisine. These activities vary by season and aren't guaranteed daily, but they add value when available. Evening entertainment programs bring guests together after dinner with shows ranging from live music performances to theatrical productions. The quality of entertainment is generally good, professional enough to be enjoyable without reaching Broadway standards. Theme nights occasionally take over the resort, with Mexican fiestas being particularly popular, featuring traditional music, dancing, and special menu items. Beach volleyball nets are set up for impromptu games, and the activities team sometimes organizes tournaments for competitive guests. Pool games and activities run throughout the day, from water polo to dance classes, though participation is entirely optional for those who prefer to observe from their loungers. The resort provides a daily schedule of activities, allowing guests to plan their days around events that interest them or strategically avoid the crowds by doing the opposite of what's scheduled. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.